Multiply 212 by 21 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. The first partial product is 212. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The second partial product is 4,240. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 1 plus 4 is 5. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 2 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 4. The product of the whole numbers is 4,452. So 212 times 21 is 4,452.